How does the decision tree work? A decision tree works by creating a model that predicts the value of a target variable based on several input variables. The process begins with the dataset being split according to certain criteria, and this is repeated recursively, forming a tree structure with nodes and branches. Process: choosing the best feature. At every node of the tree, the algorithm selects one feature that best splits the set of items. Criteria like Gini impurity or information gain are typically used to measure how well a feature splits the data. Branching: based on the feature selected, the data is split into two or more subsets. This process is repeated for each derived subset in a recursive manner. The recursion is complete when the subset at a node has the same value of the target variable, or when splitting no longer adds value. Decision making: once all data is processed, the tree can be used to make decisions by following the paths of decisions taken based on the input features. Stopping criteria: all elements in a subset belong to the same class. Homogeneity: no further predictive information gain. Predefined maximum depth of the tree is reached. Example: imagine you want to decide whether to play tennis on a given day based on weather conditions. The decision tree might consider features like outlook, temperature, humidity, and windy. Starting at the root, if outlook is sunny and humidity is high, the tree might decide against playing tennis, following the branch of nodes that leads to this decision. Advantages: provides a clear indication of which fields are most important for prediction or classification. Challenges: prone to overfitting, especially with complex datasets. Can become biased if some classes dominate.